Welcome to Save Your Books. I'm Sophia Bogle and you're here with me in my studio in Ashland, Oregon. I figure you're here because you have a book that needs some help. Maybe you have a favorite childhood book that you want to pass on to your grandkids. Maybe you have a Bible where the cover's coming off. Or maybe you just want to fix up a book so that when you sell it, it can go to a good home. The good news is you don't have to have a bindery full of tools or a diploma in book conservation to repair your books. But you do need some crucial information to help you avoid making mistakes. Bad book repair can completely destroy the value of your books. And that's where I come in. Save Your Books is about teaching simple archival methods of book repair. Some of the lessons are just 5-minute long videos. Some of them are longer, step-by-step instructions with video links embedded in the text. And if you get stuck, there's a student forum where you can ask questions. And if you're really eager to learn more, you could opt in for an online book consultation or even a customized lesson. Be sure to check out the All Access Pass as well. I have over 25 years of experience restoring books. I do have a diploma in book conservation. And now, I just want to help you save your books.